invincible. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Wednesday. Hope everyone's had a great night. Ready for a great day. Morning, Tris. Jake, how you doing? Give me one moment. I'm actually in a gold trade right now, and I'm responding to someone on Facebook messages. So give me one moment, then we'll go over the market overnight. Gold trade's paying. Gold trade's paying. Okay, and we're out. That was a nice 4-point trade on gold. Micro gold 4 contracts. Hey, sire? All right, markets overnight. Sorry about that, guys. Let's see. We're down, then up, and down again. Our high on ES 68.55, and our low 67.73. So about 90, 80 something, about 82. There we go. Points in range. NQ high 895, low 499. I can do that math, I think. 396 points. Copper, it's about 300 ticks. Ultra Bond, excuse me. Ultra Bond, big range for the Ultra Bond. It's over a full point. Gold, toward the top of its range, it has a big range. It has 126 points. Crude oil, dropping down below. It just made a new low a day. Looks to be about 3.5 points. Bitcoin all of a sudden decided to explode. Wrong chart. It's up to 71.3. So that's where we sit, stand, or whatever body posture you're choosing to take on this beautiful Wednesday morning. Morning, JC. Target filled on what? What just happened? Oh, I know what happened. I forgot. I had the bot running, doing some tests. And it just worked very well. The bot got a 40-point win. All right. If I didn't say hello to you, Sire and JC, apologize. Hello. Not going on there in the first 5 minutes. We do have US ADP employment change coming up in 10 minutes. That's a nice pop on NQ there. Very nice pop. So I'm trying something a little new today besides testing out the bot. the bot's on a sim account, so that's not gonna affect me any. But I put in trailing stops for my trades on the micros, trying to hold trades longer, trying to let them do their thing. I didn't realize I had it on the wrong screen. Here's that gold trade I took. Actually, I've taken 2 gold trades this morning. This one got uh, 35 ticks. First one I forget it got about 30 ticks. So doing good on gold so far. You can see I got one green account. It's a my funded futures eval, but it's up for $800. I was playing with things last night. Gold still rising, NQ still rising. Let's see NQ rising. See profits on the way. Oh, gotta get the new banner in there. Forgot to get the new banner. It's still showing Chronos. Really? Hopefully here we're gonna take that out. Did I download the new one? Okie dokie. NQ's still going here. This would have been a great trade, a long-term trade. I actually have a micro set up to try and get 100 points. Not on this trade. I mean, I obviously didn't enter this trade, but hey, Jay, how you doing? Hey, Freighter, good to see you. Get NQ running here up to 24,900. We're at well 930 was just hit high day 930. How's it going today, Jake? Have we reached the top here? Hungry. Might have missed an entry already. Maybe not.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Where am I stop? 910. Oh, I got really bad fill there. Damn.
Order filled.
That was a terrible fill. So we're gonna start red. Holy crap. $90 red? Shouldn't have been that much. How many did I enter with? Two. Why am I now $90 red? Should have been only. Well, no, I guess that's right. Never mind. No, it's right. No, it was a loss, not a win. It was a stupid entry. Oh, I hate that. No, I'm gonna that when I lose the first trade like that, it bothers me really bad. I was too jumpy on that. Shouldn't have taken that. I did it off a 1 minute chart, and here this is gonna be the right one. Tried this one, but this I don't know why I got such a bad fill. This is gonna be the one to take. 10 points for, yeah. Tell me, no, wait. No. Why did it? Still don't know. 10 points is $20 on a micro. Did I screw up? And now I missed this entry. We'll try the entry on the 5, I guess. Set it, execution style, bird. Yeah, it does show him. I entered 4 somehow, and I don't know how. All right, so something's wrong with the copier. What did I do? Exact quantity. It should be entering 4. I don't know. We'll figure it out. Don't want to wreck accounts here. Couple of points. And I was right. I was a couple candles too early.
Order failed.
Okay.
Order submitted.
Back to being short 1 micro. Just because I wanted to test to make sure things were working. That seems like I don't know if I'm slow on the trigger, but that was a bad fill too. I used Replicano. Came back up. I don't. Come on, keep coming down for me. Stops at break even now. Yeah, apexes suck. You shouldn't use apexes. Hey, Miyagi, good morning. Ah, it's gonna come back and nail me, isn't it? Maybe not. Hold on. It is. Maybe not. Fighting here at 875. Gold pulls back.
Order fell.
Took it off.
Order fell. Order fell.
So unless and yeah, something's not working right, and I don't know what's going on. So hold on, I gotta figure this out. And now it goes. Of course it goes. I gotta just stay in trades. Anyway, hey John. Some reason it's doubling orders. So I meant to take that with 1 micro. It took it with 2. And I'm not sure why it's doubling orders. So I gotta figure that one out. Or just take it as 1. Yeah. Okay, I gotta leave my hands off. If it comes back to break even, it comes back to break even. That was stupid. I just cost myself a bunch of money by not switching my car insurance to Geico. Okay, that says exact quantity. What does this say? That says exact quantity. So why is it doubling the order? Hey, Outcast. Oh, really? That sucks. Yeah, I put in trailing stops, John, and I still interfere with my trades. Uh, how far did that get down? 67. That would have nailed me there anyway. So that trailing might not. That might need it. Yeah, I don't know. Outcast, is like everything laggy for you or just TradingView? Okay, well, this is doing nothing. I'm going to go and check executions and see if I can figure out what's going on here. No idea. This is a good place to get out, though. Did work out, so. Yeah, I only use TradingView to chart and for my signals I execute off NinjaTrader or whatever platform. But TradingView is my charting and where how I make my decisions. Cue back up with a blue candle here. Oh, have a blue. It's kind of a floater.
Order filled.
Long on gold, micro gold on take profit only. It might come back down over here. Yeah, it's coming back down on me. It's coming back up on me. Me and the bot took the same trade. all these data feeds for the for the prop firms seem to suck overall. John, I traded on an eval. It's that 700 something you see at the very top. It was great trading last night. I missed a lot of it. Like every signal would have worked. And this gold trade's not working. Ouch. Sorry to hear that, Outcast. Gold's about to stop me out here.
Stop fill.
And Q rising. Yeah, it was. I was what I mean. NQ is just doing a perfect cycles up and down. But I was busy doing some other stuff during that time, and then I got great trades, obviously, but could have been a lot better. Could have been a banner night. Oh, what was that? What time was that, Outcast? It's unusual for that to happen. I mean, it happens, but usually it's like news events or maybe the Open.
Order filled.
Short. Oops. Oh, that was a mistake.
Order filled.
Took a short on gold instead of on Q. That was good. Duh. Now I missed my entry on the queue. How did I do that? That's the one I wanted right there. Oh, okay. Yes, they do, John. All legacy is still legacy. So if you pass evals under the legacy, it's the PA under the legacy. Got a Fed speaker speaking. Ninja came out with new rules. Oh, okay, yeah. A, yeah, Apex total revamp over the weekend. Bouncing up here. And Q unsure which way he wants to go here. Just under 24,900.
Hey everyone! It's time to gore the like button.
Do have news today 15 and 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 15 and 30 minutes after the bell. Good morning, Ron. Absolutely, Outcast. Anybody's welcome here. We like meeting new people.
Stop film.
Stop you heard was from the bot test, not from me. There's a pop on NQ. Big pop. Back above 900, back below 900. Big pop gives it right back. That pop, I think, was because the Fed speaker said it's appropriate to continue to cut at the March meeting. Hopefully he means interest rates and not like he's going to start cutting himself out of depression. Chop it here. AQ pops back up. And right back down. And back up. It's unsure where it wants to go here, folks. About 15 minutes until the top of the hour. 45 minutes till the bell. Purple candle there, but into the 9. I don't really like it there. Gold still fighting. We're choppy really kind of here. I mean, it's uptrend choppy on NQ. Gold moving up. ETR is 16 on the 1-minute chart, so we're really moving this morning. ATR stayed pretty big last night, too. Come on, market, do something. To market, to buy some NQ. Crude coming down. There's another pop on NQ. We're hopping, stopping, popping. Y'all got very quiet. Be very, very quiet. We're hunting NQ. There's gold trying to come down. And Q just kind of grinding here right above 900. Gold breaks its 9 on the 5. Breaking 9 on the 5. Hey, Robin. Morning. Purple candle forming here on the 5. Ooh, big move down. 22 points on this 1 minute candle. Hey, Imad, how you doing? That's a quick whip down. Uh, Purple candle there on the 5, but ugh, don't know if I want it. Don't know if I trust it. That's another purple candle on the 1. Oh. Bot took the trade. Actually, why did the bot take the trade? Oh, bot took the gold trade. Okay. Yeah, I should have taken that trade. It's gone down 10 to the well, went down to the 9 EMA, so yeah, it would have been a good trade. Just about top of the hour. Stretching.
Target filled.
Well, gold bot hit its target. And Q popped back up and then right back down. Excuse me, little whippy. Ace, good morning. NQ sitting right on that 5-minute 9 EMA. Bouncing up off of it. How you doing today, Ace? Big move down there on gold. Knees actually pretty much back to, I would say, 99%. Every now and then I'll feel a little something, but it seems to have pretty much healed. Just struggling to break through this 9 here. Kind of broke through there, but I'm on about hour 45 of my fast. And and uh a 15 and 30 minutes after the open. Yeah, I'm going for 120 hours, I'm at. A little bit hungry. When I woke up, I didn't feel any hunger at all. Right now, I feel a little bit hungry. If I can do it, my goal is not to eat until Sunday. But we'll see. We're grinding down here now. I didn't really like the entry here, so I didn't get this move down, but we'll get the next one. Feels like we're slow, but our ATR is still 16. And there's a pop. Pop, pop. Another short drops. Sorry. No JJR yet today? Or did I miss him? No RJ Wheel yet today? Or did I miss him? No Platt yet today? Or did I miss him? Bitcoin's still rising nice. Riding high. Hey, Paul. We feel stagnant here. Just stagnant. NQ's about 50 points off of its overnight high, but the overnight high was hit just like half an hour ago. Morning, JJR. RJ and JJR, you guys come in on the same train? Morning, RJ. Take the last train to Oxville and we'll meet you at the station. Good morning, USC. Hey, Skeletor.
Order submitted.
Card breaks. Interview guy 1 is full 2-1. Oh wow. Holy yeah. And I thought my Otani was good. That's impressive. That's amazing. Also, as much as I love baseball cards, except for, maybe with the exception of a 52 Mano rookie, can't imagine ever paying six figures for one piece of cardboard. I mean, I love card. I mean, I've spent money on cards, obviously, and on one card, but I don't think I've ever spent more than $20 on one card. That said, I'm glad there's people out there that are willing to buy a card for $3,750. I mean, yeah, there are people that hope they go up in value so they can flip them later. The guy that I sold the card I sold to for the 3750, he's just a massive Otani collector.
Order canceled.
I mean, I don't know if he thinks they're going to go up as well. You know, Otani's the best player in the game right now, so.
Order submitted.
So far, everyone on the Discord thinks we're going green at the open for the first 5-minute candle. And Q's still bopping its head on 900. Sire, remember if you post that in the Discord, in the general chat, you can get points for it if you're right for the Mott Discord engagement program. It's too hard to keep track of for people that just post in the chat because I don't have to go back through the stream to award points. Oh yeah, Ace meet Outcast. He's new. I just said Ace meet Outcast. He's new. He joined earlier before you came in. Everyone has a positive thought for the day. Everyone that's posted in the Discord has said whatever they posted is going to go green. Well, we have hey FX Samesh. Good morning. Welcome. So I'm going to be the contrarian here, and I'm going to say it's going to go red. Good morning, Eddie. It's a nice purple candle there on the 5. It was actually a nice purple candle there on the 1, but the cat was here and I missed it. If it wasn't just a couple minutes till the 5-minute algo, I would take this. Well, consider taking this purple candle on the 5. What do you need, huh? What? What? Yeah. What do you need, huh? So yeah, that would be a perfect purple candle, but I don't know what this. Sometimes we get that 5-minute till algo that goes wild. The bot took the trade. So in a good trade too. I should have taken it. Shouldn't have been afraid of that 5-minute till algo. The nice move down here, 10 points. Bot read it right. I didn't. Bot's still fighting a gold trade though. All right, folks, it's almost time to get ready to rumble. We do have news 15 and 30 minutes after the bell. It's stuff that can move the market a little bit. Usually it's nothing huge. US S&P Services PMI, US ISM Services PMI. I actually have no clue what those really are. One day I should do a video series on the different news reports.
Two minutes till the bell.
Yeah, this has been a great trade. It actually moved down like 20 points. But we'll get the next one after the bid. A big move down here right before the open. Down to 858. 30 seconds to go. There's a cargo ship under fire near the Strait of Hormuz. Hormuz. Morning, Teo. Q pops 32. So it looks like so far I could be wrong. Whoosh. Wow. Boy, was I ever wrong. I said red. New high day on NQ 955. Everything's all four indices are up. Gold's up, crude's up, copper's up. Euro is down. Bitcoin up. Bitcoin just hit 72. He's given back 50 points already. No, now it's popping back up. Struggling to get much higher here. It's just kind of blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. ATR in the 1 minute 24. Feels like it's really struggling to get higher. And as I say that, it tries to prove me wrong. But again, gets knocked down. Here it goes. It's running again. Running up the chart. This seems to be a struggle. Yep, there's a new high, 959. Not much higher, but high nonetheless. Getting high is what's important. Kidding. Now 967. Does it want 25,000? First 5 minute candle on NQ and ES and everything is green. And my bot just took that big blue candle. Thankfully, it's not on anything that matters because that's not going to continue to go.
Order filled.
Yeah, it got stopped out. What, Eddie? What's your problem, dude? Big move back down. That's a 51.1 minute candle. ES down hard. Hey, Hassan? Nice. Runner, runner, runner. Ace got a runner.
We got a runner!
Got a purple candle on ES on the 5. I don't know if I trust that, though. I have trust issues. And Q is not that low. It is about to break 900. Now I'm interested, I think. Maybe not.
Order filled. Order submitted.
That was a bad idea, I guess. Damn it.
Order filled.
Yep, stopped out now. Oh, ouch. Ah, I hate seeing $100 red. Ouch, 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 ouch. Damn it. Bad idea on that purple candle. Feels like today's the day I blow all my accounts. I just feel it. not feeling good here. And now it goes. I didn't put the stop at the right place. Damn it. Top ticked me too. Seriously, it did. It stopped me out to the tick and then went, damn it. That's why I shouldn't trade more than 1 micro. So if I hadn't gotten stopped out, this would now be a 30-point trade. Damn it. ES, clean move down. I should have taken ES. Like technically, NQ is a clean move down if I had taken that off the 5 instead of taking the 1-minute chart trade. Popping back up.
Extra read all about it. News in a few minutes.
Still falling. Try to bounce. Big blue candle coming up to the 9. That's a nice pop. Gold coming down. Wow, gold has dropped hard. It's a 26-point candle.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order filled.
What's going on?
Stop filled.
What just happened there? Well, I made money. Okay, I know what happened there. I think. I have no idea what happened there.
Order submitted.
Okay, that was the bot. Well, my total went down, so how something didn't go right there either. Me and my coffee are fighting today. Okay, there's the entry. I still don't know.
Order filled.
Took a long on ES. In at 32, shooting for 36. Damn, I saw 36 on the ask twice, but it didn't hit it.
Target.
There we go. 4 points on ES. Take profit trader. Could have got more, but that's okay. NQ popping up. Gold still coming down. Dow bounced as well. Crude pulling back. Running into the 9 for the ES. The NQ's above the 9, but struggling. Gold just absolutely dumping. So is crude. White House is going to review a new prediction market measure from the CFTC. Hey, MR. How are you? I got sunshine on a cloudy day. Sorry. Supposed to get up to 75 here in a couple of days.
Target filled.
Well, my bot hit a target. NQ going. Trying to get 25,000. Ace, did you do take profit at all today? Excellent. I got the 983. So are you up or down right now, JJR? Ace, I think it's time for the green is green comment. Except for when he's sick or slips in cat vomit, I don't think Ace has ever had a negative day. Like, you know, life and family and all that. He's always such a positive person. Bounce off the 9. Feels heavy. Feels like it wants to come down now. Gold right back down. Nice job, JJR. Good job digging yourself out. I need to stop getting frozen when I see red on the screen. And by getting frozen, I don't mean the DVD of the movie. Crude oil inventory is coming up in about 22 minutes. It's going to be interesting to see how crude oil inventory responds to the volatility on crude now. Let it snow. I don't think the war is pending. I think it's happening, but I honestly, I'm surprised too. Honestly, Mr. I thought we were gonna have multiple down days. This market just doesn't want to die. I mean, if you look at the daily chart, we're kind of on the daily chart. We're in a major range. This is the daily chart, and except for this one pop and then drop right here, we've been pretty much in the same area now since the beginning of February. Just up, down, up. So even the same size candles right now the last 3 days. There's NQ going for 25,000. Yeah, I would agree with that. I mean, it's kind of just choppy, but yeah, I mean, and that surprises me. There's been a couple of times where I thought we're going to finally see the flush. If you look at the daily chart again here, and we did, no, we didn't hit 25,000 yet. Well, we did. We did hit 25,000 now. But like here, this big purple candle here, I don't remember what happened that day, but I thought this was going to be, the move that continues down and, take us down to, into a bear market. And then, we had this huge pop and then this move down. I thought maybe that was going to be it, but nope. I mean, we did have a pretty significant move down from 26,000 down to the 24s, but then it popped back up. And we're back to 25,000. Now, do we reject off 25,000 and come down hard? That's the question. That's the question. So far, hard would not be the word I would use. Right back up. And boom. Up, up we go. Entering this trade at the close of this candle unless something changes. Ouch. Really came down hard now. Now it rejected hard.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Doesn't want to drop. I don't like that. Damn it. Let's try it again. Up here comes the stop me out. Damn it. Every time I think I have this down.
Order filled.
$25,022 new high day. And higher. Gold coming up. Wow, just running now. Almost at 25, 100 now. I don't know what trade my bot's in, but it's up $1,000 on a trade. I don't even know what it's on. Thought that was the gold bot. Gold bot. Must be in the NQ bot. Oh wow, yeah. Well, I don't. Okay. So the gold bot used used my ATM that I didn't tell it to use, and it's going for 200 points. It's up 180 points. On 3 micros. But I don't know where the stop is. I don't see a stop. I must have screwed up the let's see if it gets its target. It needs to get to 25,099 for its target. At least I programmed that right. I know I got to work on these these uh, these ATMs. It wants it. It wants it. I didn't hear it say take profit. What are you? What is this bot going for? This bot apparently doesn't have a target. It's now up 210 points. Why can't I ever have this happen to me when I'm really trading? You know, on account of really trading. The bot entered at 24,899, and so it's up 214 points. Hey, Sid. Wow. This bot's now up 224 points. It's up $1,300. But I don't know why it's doing what it's doing. I'm gonna close it out because I don't know why it's doing what it's doing. Yeah, good point. Um, uh, Canada news. Uh, Jack Daniels showed increases in alcohol sales. And arrested after 14 endangered reptiles found in Kwaichong industrial site. Now, I'm not seeing any news here that caused this to go. Meanwhile, the bot is now up $1,400. It's up 230 points. Crude oil inventories in 30 seconds. One day I hope to be as good of a trader as my bot is. Crude comes down on its inventories. I hate days like this where if I just would have hit the long button, I would be like in massive profit. There's a pullback.
Order filled.
Close the bot out. And then it pops back up, but that's okay.
Order filled. Order filled.
Short one micro. Hold on. Oh. I think it should be showing here. No, it's not. Why is it not showing? Don't go back up now. Come back down. Thank you.
Stop filled.
Damn it. Stopped out.
Order filled.
Re-entering though. Ah, damn it. Really? Oh, in for a penny, in for a pound. Oh, out.
Order filled.
Okay, the trailing stops aren't going to work the way I have them set up. I'll have to figure out something else. So now why isn't that showing? I bet you had the wrong account there. That's probably why. There it is. It's bouncing again on me. Oh, so this thing copy trade this time. All right, well, maybe a good thing. Yeah, I selected the wrong Tradeify account. Yeah, if that's a good thing though. As it comes back up. And here it comes back down. That's the way the trailing stop's supposed to work. Have a great day, Outcast. Hope you finish green.
Stop fill.
Okay, so we stopped out of that trade at it with a 19-point win. There, the trailing stop worked the way it was supposed to. Now it's continuing to go, so maybe the trailing stop isn't the greatest idea either. I don't know. I'm just trying to figure out a way to keep me in trades without being so jumpy. I don't know yet.
Target filled.
I just got 10 points though on ES on Take Profit Trader eval. I entered at 68.77 and hit target at 68.67. So let's see, that knocked me out at 93 and then it went all the way down to 64. So I was in at 110. So I only ended up getting 19 and it could have got over 40. So I don't know. I got to figure this out. Maybe I just need a break-even stop. Break-even stop and then manage the trade where that's probably what I should do. Break-even stop and then manage it with knowing that if it comes all the way back, I can't lose. And there's no reason not to continue to try and get more. With maybe a 50-point target. And, if it hits 50 points, good. If not, figure out where the right place to get out is. Previous candle is also what I would love that, because if you look at the 5-minute chart, like right now. So let's blow this up. If I had, I use this as my trigger, this would have been my stop. Well, this isn't a good example yet because there's not enough candles. Here, this will be a good example. So, with my lines there. So my stop would have been originally here. And then I could, if I had a thing that I could move, boom, boom, and boom, and then I'll probably decide at some point here. I mean, this would have ended up being 799 and 920. This would have been over 100 points. I probably would have take a profit at 100 points, but be able to trail off by the candle would be good too. No other news today. Just I don't think. Let me make sure of that. At 1:30 Eastern, you have a Trump phone interview. My bot just hit another target. It's up $1,700 today, and it started red because I was doing an experiment. Yeah, so I could have got 50 points. So So is there? I don't think there's a way to set the stop loss to follow each candle in NinjaTrader though. Is there? I mean, I could do it manually, of course, but I'm trying to leave my hands off because then I could get big moves like this. Oops, sorry, the wrong chart's not showing what it should be. There we go. I mean, right now, like I said, this could be over 50 points. Especially, I mean, 1 minute chart, it probably works as well, but 1 minute's more choppier. So if you're following candle by candle, you have a chance of being knocked out better. But 5 minutes seems to really work good for something like that. $400 for that indicator, MR? Jay, if you can figure out how to make one, I'll be happy to pay you $400 versus giving them $400. I mean, unless I'm looking at the wrong thing, the Predator X order entry reversal Predator, it says regular price is $553, discount to $419.99. And there's the Predator pullback. That one's only 147, but I assume that's not the. And you get pullback free if you do the order entry. Although they do say that you can get 15% off if you join their Discord. They do have a 7-day free trial. I don't know. I guess I got to stop messing with. Last night I was reading the 1 minute chart really, really well, and there's still things on the 1 minute, but like I got caught a couple times today with the 1 minute. Looking at the 5 minute here, I mean, this would have been the good entry. This one, good entry. I don't know yet. Q try to curl back up. And I mean, well, yeah, and Q is as well, but does gold. See, I think the one thing, maybe the only thing I should look at the 1 minute for is look at this, guys. Do I have that indicator on here? Maybe not. Wait, where is it? Please hold. I don't. Give me 1 minute. I don't even have it. That's what happens when you have two computers with two different trading views. Oops. So I just plotted the 9 EMA from the 5 on the 1 minute chart. So let's look at this. Every time, at least since here, I mean, here it chopped around. But look at this. As soon as I stop moving it. Blue candle got above the 9. We could have got a nice win. Blue candle above the 9. And then look how it bounces off that. And this is the 9 from the 5 EMA, not from the 1 EMA. Nice bounce, nice bounce. Again, nice bounce. That's 5 great entries. You can see even back here. Look at this. This was an hour before the bell. Beautiful bounce, beautiful bounce. So it seems like if I used that as an entry criteria on the 1, that would be good. You can see this is even in the middle of the night how much it respects that 9. I think the 5 minute 9 EMA might be the most important EMA. It might be the GOAT. See, right there. Look at that. It just did it again. While I'm here talking about it, I could have grabbed another 10 points.
Order submitted.
One of the bots has entered an order. It must have been gold. Well, I'm not sure. Maybe it was gold. Oh no, it was NQ. NQ on the 5. Maybe. Oh yeah, okay, I was on the 3 minute. Yeah, and Q on the 5. And it's working. It's me not paying attention again. So that's a trade I should always take right there on the 5. When you have a blue candle that hit the 9 and came back up off of it, that's also a trade I should always take. Days like today frustrate me because I'm so close, and yet I'm just not making progress the way I should. So maybe what I need to do for the 1, if I'm going to keep that up, strip it. Just watch for it to touch the 9. I kind of like the looks of that. And actually, this is really kind of really nice. Look at this. So let me look at this here. You can all look with me. I'm going to turn back time. So when a blue candle forms underneath it, go long. And when a purple candle forms above it, go short. If it comes down to touch it, it bounces, take the long or short. Choppy deluxe, stay out. Bounce off, bounce off. Purple above, down. Purple below, And my bot just won that trade as well. So both my bots right now, and I don't know exactly if I screwed up and put them both on NQ. I gotta look, but both my bots are up over $1,400 today. So here, I mean, blue candle worked. Boom. Look at that. Purple there. Down. Those purples didn't work, but look at the wicks. And then purple here. Beautiful. Bounce up. That one, bounce back up. Well, one's up 2,000, but that's the one that ran away and got 230 points. I don't know why that didn't have a target on it. Every other one's had a target, so I'm not sure what's up with that. I like the GoBots, but not as good as the Transformers. But this is an interesting theory. I'm gonna have to look at this more. Oh, it's time for us to go. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day. I'm gonna try and get back to green after I finish doing the stray cats and my cat. Since I'm not making lunch until Sunday. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. We'll be seeing you tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. Bye.